everybody. Today's work day here on the ranch, and we got a lot of weeds, we got a lot of Roundup. Let's go. Last time we were on a trip, I got a phone call that my goat and my donkey were out. I don't like that. So today, we gotta fix the fence. All right, Ray got the post in.
Bucket.
Get that bucket, put water in from that hose and bring it over here and dump it in. Put it right down on that side. Good. Let's go. Very wet. No, the three.
Time to put the gate on.
All right, let's see if this sucker fits. After all of our digging and measuring and everything else. Got it? All right, tap her down on there, Ray. All the way down. All right, that's it. Michael, now watch. We can go right in this way to the goats, or we can take this one out this way and load the goats that way.
Alright guys, we're putting the tarp up. There's a goat.
Huh?
Table in.
Go up, go up, go up, go around the back. Should we flip it over?
We gotta take the screws out and take the runners off.
There you go. There you go.
Alright guys, that tarp we put on makes it nice and dark in here.
We're on the way to Statesboro to get this oil changed in this van. We are at Franklin Toyota, Magnolia Springs State Park.